to study about the chapter coordinates. For this, we have to consider the x-axis and y-axis. Then x-axis, the horizontal line is known as x-axis and vertical line is known as y-axis. Then in x-axis, the values increases from left to right. That is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then in y-axis, the values increases from bottom to top. The horizontal line is known as x-axis. Then we denoted it as x, x dash. X, x dash. Next, the horizontal, is the vertical line is known as y-axis. That is y, y dash. Then how to represent the points on this axis? That is here 2, 2. And how to represent this 2, 2? The position of 2, 2 is then move 2 on x-axis. That is 2 here. Then the y coordinate is 2. Then upward 2. Then we get the position of 2, 2 is here, 2, 2. Next, -1, 2. -1, 2. Then in x, first consider the x-axis, that is -1 is here. Then upward 2. -1 and 2. Y-axis 2. We can get -1, 2 here. Here, next -1, -3. -1 on x-axis, that is x coordinate, and -3 on y-axis, that is it is in downwards. -1, -3, -1, -3, -1, -3. Okay, is it clear? Next, consider these two numbers. -1, 3, -1, 2. This line parallel to y-axis. This line parallel to y-axis. Then it is the y coordinate, that is parallel to y-axis means x coordinates are same. Then what about the x coordinates? They are same. Similarly, -1, 2, 2, 2. This line parallel to x-axis. Then what about the y coordinate? The y coordinates are same. Parallel to x-axis, y coordinates are same. Parallel to y-axis, x coordinates are same. Okay, is it clear? Next, we want to study about the other two coordinates. That is these two coordinates when two opposite coordinates of a rectangle are given. Then, this area, how to find the coordinate of this one? First, this line is parallel to y-axis. Then we already studied that. Parallel to y-axis, x coordinate are same. Then here x coordinate is 6. 6 take 6. Next, parallel to x-axis, y coordinate are equal. That is here y coordinate 4. We get 4. 6, 4 is the coordinate of this vertex. Then how to find this coordinate? First, take the x coordinate. That is, this line is parallel to y-axis. Then x coordinates are equal. Here 1. Then this line is parallel to x-axis. Then the y coordinate are same. That is, here the y coordinate is 5. Here we get 1, 5. X coordinates are same. Y coordinates are same. X coordinates are same and y coordinates are same. Similarly, we can find the other two vertices of this rectangle. First, we have to find this vertex. How to find the vertex? First, this line is parallel to y-axis. Then x coordinates are equal. That is, we get -1. Then here, this line is parallel to x-axis. Then y coordinates are equal. That is -1, 2. Okay. Then next one, we have to find the fourth vertex. How to find the fourth vertex? First, we take this line. It is parallel to y-axis. Then x coordinates are same. Here x coordinate is 5. Then take 5. Next, this line is parallel to x-axis. Then y coordinates are same. That is, we get an L-shaped figure. This time. Okay. Is there any doubt here? Clear? Okay. Next, we want to find the other two vertices when the positions of the opposite vertices are not given. How to find the opposite vertices? First, 5, 2, 6, 4. First, take x coordinate here, y coordinate. Take this one. 5, 2, 6, 4. That is, x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 2. Next, x coordinate is 6, y coordinate 4. Okay. Then, in x-axis, we already studied the values of numbers increases from left to right. That is, it is an x-axis. Then 5, 6. Here we know that first one 5, then 6. Then 5 is in the left place, left side. That is, we denoted it as L. And 6 right place, left and right place. 5 left place, 6 right place. Then we write this L and R. Next, take y-axis. These two numbers are positive numbers. Then we consider the top side. That is here 0. Then first one 2. Next 4. Okay. Then 2 is in the bottom place. That is bottom. 4 is in the top place. T. Then we write this 2 bottom, 4 top. Next, draw a rectangle like this. Next, left bottom. Take left bottom. Left side bottom. Left bottom 5, 2. The coordinate is 5, 2. Then already we know that 6, 4 is the opposite vertex. That is right top. 6, 4. Right top. Then we studied that how to find the other two vertices? Then this side is, or this line is parallel to y-axis. Then the x coordinates are equal, that is 6. And this line is parallel to x-axis. Then y coordinates are equal, that is 2. 6, 2 is the coordinate. Next, how to find the fourth vertex? That is, this line is parallel to y-axis. Then x coordinates are equal here. X coordinate 5. And this line is parallel to x-axis. Then the y coordinates are equal. That is 5, 4. Therefore, we get 5, 4, 6, 4, 6, 2 and 5, 2 are the coordinates of this rectangle. Take the second one. Here also 3, 7. 3, 7. X-axis. First 3, next 7. That is 3 in the left place and 7 is in the right place. That is LR. Next 5, 8. 5 is in the bottom place. 5 is in the bottom place and 8 is in the top place. Bottom place, top place. Bottom, top. Okay. Then consider a rectangle. First one, 3, 5. That is left bottom. Left side bottom. That is here 3, 5. Then we already know that the opposite vertex is 7, 8. That is right top. Right side top. 7, 8. Okay. Then how to find the other two vertices? This line is parallel to y-axis. Then x coordinates are equal. Next, this line is parallel to x-axis. Y coordinates are equal. That is 5. Next, how to find the fourth vertex? This line is parallel to y-axis. Then we get the x coordinates are equal. And this line is parallel to x-axis. The y coordinates are equal. Is it clear? Then next take 6, 2 and 5, 4. 6, 2 and 5, 4. 6 and 5 in x coordinate 6 and 5 are there. Then first 5, next 6. Left, right. 5 left, 6 right. Next y coordinate. First 1, 2, next 4. 2 in the bottom place and 4 in the top place. 2 bottom, 4 top. Then 6, 2. Right bottom. Right bottom. Right side bottom. Bottom. Okay. 6, 2. Right bottom. Next. Left top. Left side top. That is 5, 4. Then find out the other two vertices. Find out the other two vertices. That is, here this line is parallel to y-axis. X coordinates are equal 6 and y coordinate 4. 6, 4. Next, y coordinates axis. Y-axis parallel. This line is parallel to y-axis. Then x coordinate equal. That is 5. Next, this line is parallel to x-axis. Y coordinate equal 5, 2. Okay, is it clear? Next, we consider the negative coordinates. How to find the negative coordinates here? Is it clear? That is here also we take x, y. Then x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate 5. Next, negative 7 and y coordinate 1. Okay. Then in x-axis the values are negative 3 and negative 7. We know that in x-axis the direction is left. That is first one negative 3 and negative 7. Negative 3, negative 7. Then negative 3 is in the right place, right. And negative 7 is in the left place. Then right, left. Next one, 5, 1, left. Then next axis, 1 is in the bottom place and 5 is in the top place. Bottom, top. Then 5 top, 1 bottom. Next, consider a rectangle. Consider a rectangle minus 3, 5. That is right top. Right side top. Minus 3, 5. Right side top. Next, we know that left bottom. That is minus 7, 1. Then find out the other vertices. That is minus 3, 1. This shape. Minus 3, 1. And here minus 7, 5. This shape. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Next, one more. Take the last one, negative 1, negative 2 and negative 5, negative 4. Then take x coordinate and y coordinate. X negative 1, y negative 2, x negative 5, y negative 4. Okay. Then next coordinates, the values are negatives. Then we know that it is in the left direction. Okay. Negative 1 and negative 5. Negative 1 is in the right place and negative 5 in the left place. That is negative 1 right, negative 5 left. Then in the y coordinate we know that it is in the downward direction. Downward direction. Negative numbers are in the downward direction. That is negative 2, first one negative 2 and last negative 4. Then negative 2 in the top side and negative 4 in the bottom side. Negative 2 in the top side. Negative 2 in the top side and negative 4 in the bottom side. Okay. Negative 2 top, negative 4 bottom. Here also take a rectangle. Then right top, right side top, negative 1, negative 2. Then left bottom, negative 5, negative 4. Okay, clear? Then we have to find the other two vertices. That is negative 1, negative 4. Next, negative 5, negative 2. Okay students, today we discussed about coordinates. I hope all of you understood this. Thank you.